Today, I'm taking on the challenge of cooking and tasting 3 specific fish that are a must for diabetics. Let's see if they really live up to the hype. As a diabetic, managing your diet is crucial, and fish can play a significant role in maintaining your overall health. Dietary challenges are a constant struggle for diabetics, requiring a delicate balance of nutrients and carb management. Finding the right foods can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to making healthy choices that also taste good. Many diabetics have to scour through endless recipes and nutrition labels to find meals that fit their dietary needs. Healthy eating for diabetics involves a lot of planning and research, which can be frustrating. Diabetics often miss out on essential nutrients due to the restrictions on their diet, making it challenging to maintain a balanced meal plan. Eating a well-balanced diet is vital for diabetics, and it's essential to incorporate foods rich in nutrients and low in carbs. Fatty fish like salmon are incredibly beneficial for diabetics due to their high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Sardines are another excellent option, packed with nutrients and low in mercury, making them an ideal choice for frequent consumption. Tuna is also a great source of protein and nutrients, and when consumed in moderation, it can be a valuable addition to a diabetic's diet. Salmon can be grilled or baked, and it pairs well with a variety of vegetables, making it a versatile option for diabetics. Sardines are delicious when added to salads or pasta dishes, providing a boost of nutrients and flavor. The 3 fish I've mentioned are rich in nutrients, low in carbs, and can be easily incorporated into a variety of meals, making them an excellent choice for diabetics. One diabetic who made significant improvements to their health by incorporating these fish into their diet is a great example of the power of nutrition. By making a few simple changes to their meal plan, they were able to manage their blood sugar levels more effectively and reduce their risk of complications. Their story is a testament to the importance of healthy eating for diabetics. The individual started by replacing red meat with fish in their meals, which led to noticeable improvements in their overall health. Their blood sugar levels decreased, and they experienced more energy throughout the day, which motivated them to continue making healthy choices. Incorporating fish into their diet was a game changer for this diabetic, and their story serves as inspiration for others to make similar changes. To recap, the 3 fish that are a must for diabetics are salmon, sardines, and tuna, each offering unique health benefits and nutritional profiles that can help manage blood sugar levels and improve overall health. If you're a diabetic looking to add some delicious and healthy fish recipes to your meal plan, be sure to share your favorite dishes in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our next video on healthy eating for diabetics.